Hey, what's up? Adam Lobo here from Adam Lobo TV. So today I want to talk to you about a very special friend of mine. He is super smart, super sleek, and can keep your home sparkling clean while you can concentrate on other things that matters to you the most. I am talking about the iRobot Roomba S9 Plus, where this robot vacuum cleaner can keep every nook and cranny of your home clean with the most advanced technology and suction power yet. So if you have been considering a robot vacuum for your home or your office, here are 4 major reasons why you should get the iRobot Roomba S9 Plus. So keep watching. Now, if there's one thing that is tricky to clean at home, is those corners of the wall where dirt can stay hidden deep and can be hard to reach. Now, one very unique thing about this new iRobot Roomba S9 Plus is the overall design, where it is different than other typical robot vacuums, where it is flat at the back and rounded on the other parts. And here's where the perfect edge technology comes in, coupling the advanced sensors with maximized edge design and a specially angled corner brush to reach deep into corners. Now, these advanced sensors constantly scan ahead of the robot to find hidden, stubborn dirt. Meanwhile, the maximized edge design helps the iRobot Roomba S9 Plus to hug the edges of the wall, making it easier to go into corners, deliver a detailed clean. And in case you did not know, that this corner brush has a total of 5 brushes compared to other robot vacuums out in the market right now. That comes with just 3 brushes. Now, one huge challenge for robot vacuum cleaners is tucking under beds and sofas, those hard to reach places. And the Roomba S9 Plus is built with a low profile design, measuring just 3.5 inches high and 12.25 inches in width. Perfect to clean under and around any furniture. So yes, there's nowhere to hide dirt. Now, the iRobot Roomba S9 Plus superior 3-stage system with power boost offers the deepest clean yet. Using the dual multi-surface rubber brushes and incredible suction power, so powerful in fact, it delivers up to 40 times the suction of other Roomba robot vacuum cleaners. Now, whether it's on hard flooring or carpets, the 3-stage system automatically maximizes suction to pull embedded dirt, debris and pet hair. And oh my god, words cannot explain how helpful it has been to get rid of all that pet hair. Now, this is because the robot vacuum has an extra 30% wider dual multi-surface rubber brushes compared to other Roomba vacuums that can deliver more cleaning in every single pass. Now, if you have furry pets like me, the Roomba S9 Plus will pick up pet hair, dust, dirt and other large debris without getting tangled, so that was really sweet. Now, the super cool thing about the Roomba S9 Plus is that it cleans after itself. So you can just lay back, take a sip of coffee, watch Netflix, while the robot vacuum empties its bin. When it docks with the all-in-one docking station as part of the Clean-Base automatic dirt disposal system, then it automatically recharges as needed, then continues cleaning until it gets the job done. Now, you literally don't have to do anything until that allergen lock bag holds the dust, dirt and debris is full, which is typically up to 60 days, and the bag captures and traps 99% of pollen and mold allergens, so there's no dust clouds and certainly no escape particles in the air. Now, another cool thing about the Roomba S9 Plus is the fact that it is low in maintenance. Now, aside from emptying the allergen lock bag once in every few weeks, another little thing that you need to do is just to wash away the dirt or debris left behind, since the dustbin is washable. Can life get any simpler? Then, last but not least, and possibly one of the most important reasons, is the built-in anti-allergen system. Now, this consists of a high-efficiency filter that traps 99% of mold, pollen and dust mite allergens. And this is especially very important if you have pets, where this high-efficiency filter ensures that the pollen and the mold allergens are trapped within the clean base and never escapes back into the air. And if that is not mind-blowingly cool enough, the Roomba S9 Plus integrates the Imprint Link technology, which enables it to talk to other robots like the Brawa Jet M6, where when the Robot S9 Plus is done vacuuming, it can automatically tell or talk hi to the Brawa Jet M6 to immediately start mopping. Now, not only that, through the Clean Map reports, you get to see where exactly the robot vacuum has cleaned and even shows you the detail of the results. And by the way, this robot vacuum uses the V-Slam navigation, where it learns the layout of your home and builds a personal smart map to expertly clean and navigate in neat, efficient rows. And it is hands down the best app and mapping experience that I've seen compared to other robot vacuums when it comes to the overall app integration as well. So in conclusion, there you have it, my 4 huge reasons why you should get this super advanced iRobot Roomba S9 Plus if you are considering a robot vacuum cleaner. Now, if you're interested, do head to the social media pages for iRobot Malaysia on Facebook and Instagram to get the updated pricing. And of course, if you would like to know more about this particular iRobot or other iRobot devices over there, and all of these iRobot products are also available through the authorized iRobot retailers such as Harvey Norman, TBM, ESH, HomePro, One Living or BHB outlets. So with this, do let me know what you think of this fantastic piece of tech, or if you have any questions to ask, feel free to drop your comments at the comment section below. Aside from that, thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys found this video helpful in making your purchase decision. My name is Adam Lobo and I'll see you in my next video.